What's a big ass down? Hey y'all, welcome back to Tilly Tube. Today I have a special guest. Oh, the hair. I mean, the wind's getting my hair. But we're on the way to get active at Lifetime. I've never been here. I'm excited. There's something going on outside. I don't know. The police and the fire department is here. But hey, none of my business. But I'll check in when we get in there. Bye. Cool. Oh, they got a calf in here? It's nice. They have a life calf. I'm about to buy this still life water because I forgot to bring water. So, okay. Period. Look at this. It's nice. Ta-da! I'm gonna do like a Toni Fine, some of her workout today.
Can you lose 60 pounds by May? May 2029? Yes, of course you can.
She said push-ups. All right. This is gonna be intense. I don't. Okay.
Oh shit!
You got it. You got it. You got it. Real push.
For real.
Ooh. I feel it in my arms though. I feel it though. Okay.
3 sets of that. We're about to do reverse snow angels.
You start like this and then
Oh. How many? Or it's for seconds?
40 seconds.
This and then go back?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, go.
I don't feel nothing.
I feel a little in my back. Engage your core.
Oh.
Engage it. Okay.
Okay, I see something.
Okay, Tony. 15 seconds.
Swimming.
5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. 40.
Oh. I definitely feel that one.
Okay.
3 sets of that too. About to do Buddha claps. I'm about to set this up so y'all can see. Buddha clap. Shit, right.
Go wide. And hold it. Clap it. Hold it. Arms straight. Core engaged. Okay. Okay, good clap.
3 sets of Buddha clap.
This
Rain.
is a full.
Need
This is a full body.
For real. See y'all later.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Doing body weight squats.
40 seconds, 30-second rest. 60-second rest. All right. That wasn't bad.
We're gonna do some deadlifts.
Do my body weight to get the mechanics down. Okay, you ready? We can do 21 legs, 21.
3 sets of that. And then we're gonna start all the way from the beginning. I'm gonna check in later. We're about to finish this workout. Bye. Ow, that kind of hurt. Just had to do a cartwheel for y'all. That's what I do during my breaks. So we finished our full 3 sets. Now we're about to do some core and HIIT. So starting with high knees.
Reverse crunches and in and out squat jumps.
40 seconds each. Okay. First is high knees.
Reverse crunches next.
Feel like a baby. Oh. Woo. Hands on your side. Woo. Engage that core. I'm gonna say we started at 1 minute. Woo. 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 8 more seconds. Okay. I feel like my pants going. Okay, let's do it together. Down. Out. Out. Okay, that's 40. 2-minute break.
Break time. We're putting that work in. Can you tell? Russian twist.
And you're gonna turn around and climb that mountain. Keep that core engaged. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now we gotta lean over backwards. Okay. I need some grip. Intense.
See how I'm making it. Making it.
That was cute.
All right, y'all, that completes our workout, full body and HIIT and core. So fun, so fun. Now we're about to go to the mall. So we'll see you there. Bye. More filling. We're at Jasmine and Ali's. We're about to see what they got before we go to Tropical Smoothie. Of course. There's a little stench in here. It's like, we got kids in there. We'll probably do that. Okay, they didn't really have anything that we want to eat, so we're here at Tropical Smoothie. About to get this green drink. Apparently it flushes you out, so we're gonna see. Hi. I'm gonna order and show y'all what I got later. Alright, so this is the detox drink that Christian was talking about. So it looks like. These called Detox Island Green. So let's try it. Try it and rate it 1 to 1. try it and rate it 1 through 10. Like Keith Lee. Alright.
It has spinach, kale, mango, pineapple, banana, and fresh ginger. What's it giving? Thank you.
No.
It's only 190 calories.
Thank you.
It's
I definitely taste where it might definitely mess up my stomach. It's good though. I'm gonna get the combo. Show y'all what I got to eat. Alright y'all, we got our food. Chicken pesto. Yes, that looks like. Oh yeah, mine busting out the seams too. Sorry, you get that. It looks juicy though. Oh, thank you.
That pesto, that
I got my detox island green.
what's pesto? It's like a veggie thingy.
I think it's like yeah, I don't know. Some type of veggie.
That's good though.
Some type of greenery. So this is what it looks like. It's flatbread. Oh, let me take a picture of this. Let's try it. Rate it 1 through 10. Shai already had this before. Let's see what it look like on the inside. Shit, that should look appetizing. What is it having it? Grilled chicken, tomatoes, shredded parmesan, mozzarella, and pesto.
Rated 1 to 10.
I would say 9. You ever tried the tomato mozzarella at Starbucks? They have a sandwich, but they don't have chicken in it. But it's really good.
Yeah, it gives me points for the chicken and it's under 500 calories.
It's good. Real good. Alright, we're here at Crabtree Mall, Crabtree Valley. That damn smoothie, y'all, got my stomach bubbling right now. But we're about to head into Windsor, try to find something for tonight. I ain't waiting in that line.
Oh, that's cute.
This red dress?
Yeah. You look give hot.
It do look hot, like fall.
Oh my gosh.
What? Let me shop. Hey guys, look at this. This is probably what I'm about to get. So imagine that on me, on my body. My hair is trying to not cooperate. But I'm in my natural era. So I'm trying to wear my natural hair. Look, Kashai is getting.
It's so sparkly.
There's a lot of sparkles. It's cute though.
I don't think that
Pink,
that's your vibe.
pink dress with the pearls, earrings, the details.
Suit tape.
Purr.
A little miss.
We made it to. Oh my God, my hair! What the hell? Guys, I'm going to probably put my hair in a ponytail later because it look a little crazy right now. But we here in Carolina Beauty. I did purchase the dress that I show y'all from Windsor. So please ignore my hair. It just looks crazy. But I think I might put it in a ponytail. I put it in a ponytail real quick. Exactly that. Alright y'all, we got the goods from Carolina Beauty. Now it's time to go get ready. Woo! Woo! Oh my God, hey Tilly Tube. Y'all, I know the last clip y'all seen, it was me at the beauty supply store leaving, and I was saying, I'm about to go get ready. Plot twist. I ended up not going nowhere. I brought the outfit though. I should have took a picture in it. I didn't wear the outfit. It's just I think I'm gonna wear it for my birthday or something. But today is Monday, and the last time I seen y'all, it was Saturday? Yeah. But yeah, I had to go help my boyfriend with his job. So it basically everything that was supposed to happen Saturday did not happen. But I did want to show y'all this realistic, you know, life happens and things switch up, and you know, that's just part of life. So I did want to show y'all the workout that I was able to do this weekend. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Happy Tilly Tuesday. Like, comment your favorite workout. And I literally was talking to Kashaya about that workout. That workout, y'all. That workout that we did had us both sore, very sore. But it's also because we forgot to stretch before and after, so that maybe also contributed to it. Y'all should definitely copy that workout. But again, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to do all the things I previously said. Like, comment, subscribe. And shout out to y'all for still being along on this journey with me. Another Tilly Tuesday in the books. And that's wraps. Y'all have an amazing week. Love you guys. See y'all on the next one. Bye, Tilly Tubers.
High volume. Am I really that?